Modern sports cars use active aerodynamics, wings and spoilers that adjust on the fly. At speed, these features deploy to increase downforce or reduce drag, even acting as air brakes. Systems like Lamborghini's ALA can steer the car with air, optimizing grip in corners. Flat underbodies and clever vents channel air for maximum stability. Every surface is designed to manage airflow and boost performance. Adaptive suspensions use magnetic fluids and computers to adjust stiffness in real time. This means comfort on the street, razor-sharp control on the track. Different driving modes let you tailor the car's behavior to your mood or the road. Even bumpy road settings exist for imperfect surfaces. The result, a car that's both a comfortable cruiser and a track weapon. Weight savings go beyond the chassis. Wheels, brakes, and even seats are made lighter. Carbon fiber wheels and carbon ceramic brakes reduce unsprung mass for better handling. Track-focused models ditch sound deadening and heavy features for pure performance. Every gram counts in the pursuit of speed and agility. Add lightness is the mantra that sets true sports cars apart.